Hi, to check RAM on your POCO X7 Pro, we just need to open Settings. Here, find tab Home Screen. Right now, just scroll down a bit and you would see this tab Arrange Items in Recents. And now you just need to enable to show memory status. So tap on the switcher, and after that you can trigger your recents by tapping on the square button, and on the top you would see the amount of available storage and used. So just take a look at this panel, and this is basically how you can check RAM. And now, as for some tips for optimizing RAM usage, check the background of apps regularly. So simply open a list of recently used apps like I did and close the ones you don't use. For that, just swipe it left like that, or right, or you can also use this cross to close all at once. And also just reboot your phone every few days to clear the cache and reset any temporary data that may be loading the system. For that, you can just press and hold power button and volume up buttons together, and now just swipe down to reboot the phone like that till the end. Your phone will turn off, and just in a couple of seconds it will turn back on. Now let's talk about how to improve device performance. For that, don't forget to update your phone always when you got new updates. To check updates, just open Settings, go in About Phone, and if you got any new updates, you would see this button to update your device. I suggest you to do this from time to time because usually updates include fixing old issues and adding new features. And of course, we can clear cache. For that, tap on the storage section and then scroll down, and here you can see how many megabytes or gigabytes you can free up. So it's just clean cache, and for that, tap button. Now let's close this advertising, and now it's checking our trash size, so I can clean up 6.16 megabytes. Let's do this. I'm gonna tap the button, and now it finished cleaning, so let's go back. If you want to, you can also perform deep clean, but in that case you need to delete some of videos, you can uninstall apps, clear app data, and so on. If you wanna uninstall apps, for example, just tap here and you'll see apps which you don't use much. You can just select it and choose to uninstall, and uninstalling this app will free up 196 megabytes for me. So that is what I'm gonna do now. And yep, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.